What's going on, EasyAgentProers? In today's video, I'm going to be going over one of the questions that I get asked a lot, and that is, what do you do when you hit a fake email address, fake phone number, fake names, all of the fake contact information? What do you do in this situation and when this happens? And, you know, this is going to happen. It's one of those things that's inevitable. Even if you have the most targeted ads and the most targeted landing pages and the most targeted everything, and you try to force people to put in the most accurate information, somehow you're going to get some sort of fake contact information. And in this video, I'm going to go over some of the ways that you can combat that and that you can still be successful with your advertising online. So the first thing I want to mention is this is one of the things you're just going to have to accept. And one of the main things about it is that these are people that aren't going to want to do business with you. You can, out of 100 people that are going to come into your database, maybe 5% are going to want to do business with you. The people that give you the fake contact information, they're pretty much just eliminating themselves first before the people that give you their actual contact information and just don't want to use you as your real estate agent. So I actually, I kind of thank those people for giving me fake contact information, because they're helping me eliminate themselves and save me on time, which is one of the things that we as real estate agents don't have enough of. Now, on top of the fact that they're never going to use you as your real estate agents, there could be plenty of reasons why. They could be just not ready to purchase now. They could be looking to purchase in the future and they've had bad experiences and don't want to have a whole lot of spam or whatever it is that they think you're going to do with their contact information. Or they could already have another real estate agent that just doesn't have a good website, or they don't have good listings or IDX service or whatever it may be. So there could be a plethora of reasons why somebody doesn't want to give you their contact information, but still wants to view houses or still wants to get the information that you're looking to give them. Now, there are two ways that I combat this. Now, the first way is, I already went over a little bit. I just accept it and I just realized that, hey, this person doesn't want to give me their contact information, and I'm okay with that because more than likely they weren't going to use me as their real estate agent anyway, for whatever reason it may be. It doesn't matter to me. I don't care what reason it is. All I know is I can focus my energy on the people that do want to give me their right contact information and do want my help in helping them accomplish their real estate goals. Now, the second way that I combat this is I continually retarget people that have been to my website. So say that I have an IDX type of ad up, and I have this IDX ad up and people are coming in and they just want to look at houses, but they don't want to give me their contact information. So they'll put in, I don't know, 12345@gmail.com. And we all know that's fake email. But even though they gave me that fake email and they're continually looking at these properties, if I have my Facebook pixel installed inside of my landing page or inside of the page that I have them sent to or anything like that, is going to install a cookie inside of their browser. And what that cookie does inside of their browser, it allows me to retarget them. So even though I don't have their contact information, I can still continually send them ads and send them ads and send them ads until they just break down and decide to use me as their real estate agent, if it's a very targeted lead and somebody that I want to work with. So if I feel like being that persistent, I can go after them that way. So let me show you actually how to do that. So first thing you're going to want to do is come over to your ad account and open up your account. And once it loads, you're going to come up to the top to the ads manager part, come over to assets, click on audiences. Once you are over here, you can create a custom audience, and you go to create audience, create a custom audience, wait for it to load up, and you can do it based off of website traffic. So what I would do is click on this website traffic, and you can target all people that visited your website within however many days that you want to go through. Or if you want, you can do people that visited a specific website. So if you have a home seller's guide on a certain site and you want to retarget certain sellers, or if you have a home valuation guide and you want to retarget people that clicked on there, or people that spent the most amount of time onto your page or anything like that, you can always target people that way. And so say I want to target people that visited a specific page. I would come in here and I would insert the URL right here. And after that, all you have to do is name the audience. So I'll just name it test and just click on create audience. And after you have that audience up and running, all you have to do is insert that inside of your ad when it's asking for who you want to target, and you can send your ads to those people. And it is going to be a lot cheaper sending ads to people that have already visited your site and are retargeted, because they already know you, and they may not like you and trust you yet. However, they do know you, so they know that they're more likely to eventually start to like you and trust you as somebody that may not know you at all. So these are the tips that I give people that are looking to get started on ads and are worried about getting fake email addresses, fake phone numbers, fake whatever. Basically, don't worry about it. Eventually those people are, they're never going to work with you anyway. So focus on the people that do want to work with you, or focus on trying to retarget them and just send more ads at them until they eventually cave in and give you their actual contact information. Now, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments section down below. We'll be down there answering all questions. If you like this video, leave it a like. It lets us know you enjoyed this types of content. If you're new, be sure to subscribe so you're not missing out on any new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.